He's revving it like a hooligan. I think he just don't like his neighbours. What do you think?
Like being a Scarborough.
Boy racer. Boy racer. He can't hear a word I'm saying. I can say anything now and he'll find out when he looks back into editing. He's a lovely chap. So, brake test number 1. Depends how brave I feel, doesn't it? If I think these brakes are working okay, I could stand in front of him as he comes back. And if I'm not so sure, I could just leap out of the way, Superman-esque. I think leaping, might be the safer thing. This is the first time I've done this job after all.
So, northbound over the Humber Bridge. On a very, very windy day. And that's as rough as I've seen the river in a long, long time. Really choppy under there. Oh, heck, aye. Yeah. Really dangerous piece of water under the bridge. It's running about 3 different ways. There's coming this way and it's going that way under the bridge. My God, you won't want to fall in there, you wouldn't stand a chance. The flow is unbelievable. It's really, really fast. You've got to be careful going between the towers. Yeah, it knocks you about like that. If you've never been over the Humber Bridge, be very careful of these towers on a motorbike. It's blowing so hard, I'm having to lay the bike slightly to the left. Just ever so slightly. That's looking down the river towards the North Sea. And then upriver. Where we were the other week with Woody, east to our left. Apparently they've taken the outer cable in, the covers off the cables, and they're doing something to the cables underneath, making repairs. It makes me feel dizzy just looking up there. Certainly not working on the bridge today. There's 30-mile-an-hour speed limit and they're getting to the tag lane. And they're it's banned to high vehicles. There's no high-sided vehicles at all. And then just back down through the tag lane. Say if you're coming on over the Humber Bridge on a motorcycle, it's free. There's no charge. You just come through the outside lane here. If you go through there, you're gonna have to pay. I've actually been to the barrier, and they let me through free. And what he said to me was, use the tag lane next time. Beautiful blue sea, white sand beach. Absolutely breathtaking. Huge great waves coming in. I thought that was Bear, it's not. He's gone. Okay, you're going to have to excuse the wind noise, but what we're looking at in the mist there is the Orkney Islands. How's that? That's pretty cool. Sorry it keeps going in and out of focus, it's struggling with it. Orkneys anyway. Pheasant. Just have one more go at that. I'm using a gate post for a tripod. See if I can just steady the picture up a little bit. The Orkney Islands. Get more nice views. Very sweeping road.
Oh. There goes Graham on the mighty sail.